Hello students, welcome to the e-learning platform presented by Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Bapuji Saroke Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur.
The learning objectives for today's session are study of automobile maintenance system and the terms related to it. This will be the last session of chapter number 6 of automobile engineering. Starting with automobile maintenance system, and some of the terms related to maintenance will be studied in this. First, garage. What do you mean by garage? A garage is a general place where cars are stored and cared. It includes department like storing, sales room, supply, oil, accessory sales, etc. It provides maintenance service in case of tires, battery, lubrication, running repair, etc. It is well equipped for providing petrol, lubrication, washing for tires and battery services. It is used for major work. There is the equipment required for the working of the automobile or for repairing of automobiles are used in an garage. Second, service station. Service station is a place where addition to motor vehicle like mechanical service and minor repairs, petrol supply, cars are lubricated, cleaned, washed, and other types of simple services that are required daily are performed. In general, a number of sections like garage, eh, mm, gen, mm, it includes number of sections like garage, general service, mechanical service, major service, repair shop, tire shop, paint shop, body shop, etc. in a service station. Third is a workshop. Workshop is an engineering workshop where works are not attended in service station, will be attended in workshops. Engineering workshop are the place where the work that cannot be attended in service station and garage will be attended in a workshop. The specialist repair shops need experts in particular line. They usually provide good service in attending to repair at reasonable charges as well as take off responsibility from the shoulders of service station men. Fourth, dealership. Automobile dealership is a business that sells new or old vehicles or used cars at retail level based on dealership contract with an automaker or its sales subsidiary. It employs automobile salespeople to sell their automotive vehicle. It also provides maintenance services for cars and employ automotive technician to stock and sell spare parts and process warranty claims, etc. It is important that vehicle dealer conduct inspection of vehicle before and after sale to ensure that there is no problem and all the ports are working properly. This is carried out by the dealership. Vehicle selling, purchase work done from registration plate, road tax uh, mm, is also done from the dealers. Dealer eliminate the complaint from the customer. He provide information about the vehicle to the potential customer. So these are the types of automobile maintenance and places: garages, service stations, workshop, and dealership. Significance of garage, workshop, service station. And vehicle maintenance and servicing is carried out when vehicle completes certain kilometer on its normal running or when the vehicle does not give proper performance. It is suggested that vehicle owners carry out regular and periodical checks on their vehicle. A motor vehicle service is a series of maintenance procedures carried out at set interval or after the vehicle has traveled a certain distance. The serval intervals are specified by a vehicle manufacturer in service schedule, and some modern car display the due date for next service is electronically on the instrumental panel. The To maintain the vehicle completely trouble free from trouble free state by servicing it properly. The maintenance, the significance of garage, workshop, and service station, and provides the following in measures. That is, it ensures the safety, It prevents malfunctioning of an vehicle, increases car performance, ensures fuel efficiency, increases prolonged life of an vehicle, reduces pollution, low cost of operation, and increases resale value. Next is types of maintenance. The first is preventive maintenance. Prevention without breakdown or without giving trouble on road. Some attention or maintenance taken to the vehicle is called as preventive maintenance. That is prevention without breakdown or without giving trouble on road. The maintenance before the breakdown of a vehicle is called as preventive maintenance. It intends to reduce or totally eliminate breakdown and accident due to mechanical failure and reduce the repair cost. A good preventive maintenance program leads to following advantages: reduce the breakdown of a vehicle, increase safety due to reduced breakdown, less expenses on repairs, good control on inventory of spare part, and lesser number of equipments are required. The next types of maintenance are breakdown maintenance, periodic maintenance, and operation maintenance. Breakdown maintenance is attention to which is provided when the motor vehicle becomes immobilized due to faults created during running. These faults are starting difficulty, puncture, electrical faults, carburetor and fuel supply faults, overheating, fan belt, breakage, accidents, etc. Third, periodic maintenance or operative maintenance is the attention provided to motor vehicle in operation and for a specified time or cover distance. This maintenance can be done daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, or after crossing every 500, 1000, 2000, 4000, 8000 kilometer of running. In garages, this work is done on basis of preset schedule so to avoid road failure and minimize the breakdown issue. And the last is operation maintenance. Daily maintenance by the operator for proper running of the vehicle is known as operation maintenance. It is needed to keep the vehicle in a proper condition. The operation maintenance include tire inflation, battery, brake, clutch, smoke, color, starting system, ignition system, and lights are checked in this maintenance daily. Next is need and importance of record keeping. A vehicle maintenance log is the historical record of condition and repair work performed on an individual vehicle. It is used by commercial fleet owners ranging from small business to large transport operators for preventive maintenance, safety, and record keeping purposes. Vehicle maintenance logs can be used to document both maintenance work, oblique castings, as well as general vehicle inspection checks. The following are the importance or need of record keeping. Maintaining vehicle record is imperative when it comes to keeping it in good condition. It makes possible to take care of small problems before they escalate and become into big ones. Third, vehicle record gives information about make, model, insurance information, and vehicle identification number. Fourth, vehicle maintenance record will help to keep the track of a vehicle. It provides information for a record of tires, mileage, replacement schedules, etc. A air and fuel line filter record will remind and when to replace it again. Keep detailed info on gas mileage starting at purchase. Write down all oil changes, record brake replacement so to keep on wear and to have old brake dusted. Help in insurance or vehicle issues that may have resulted from them, and it help for schedule periodical maintenance. List of record that are kept in a service station. The record that are kept in service station are maintained or managed by the vehicle logbook, which is shown in figure below. The vehicle maintenance logbook consists of various types of services such as oil filter change, engine oil change, replace oil filter, replace air filter, replace fuel filter, replace cabin AC filter, replace spark plug, check level of the brake fluid, clutch fluid, right? Different types of tire repairs, replacement, and check brake pad, liner, brake disc, drum, check coolant, check charging system, check battery, etc. These are all the different types of the record kept in an log vehicle log book. It makes it a simple and easy for the owner as well as for the dealer to keep the record of an vehicle. It also helps to calculate the cost of an vehicle, operational cost or working cost of an vehicle. Next point is roles and responsibility of service manager in a service station. An automobile service manager is responsible for directing and coordinating all activities involved in acquisition, operation and maintenance of automotive automotive equipment. The following are the roles and responsibilities of an service manager. First, to greet the customer and interact with them to understand their vehicle problem, drive vehicle with technician and customer to gain first-hand knowledge of vehicle problem, prepare cost estimate including the service and repair cost and cost of spare parts if needed, maintain and manage daily record of repair services of vehicle undertaken and completed, ensure delivery of vehicle to the customer on time, handle and manage softly the minor complaints and irritants with the customer, educate customer on maintaining their vehicles mm, free from troubles and problems, supervise, manage and monitor automotive service technician and repairers, handle customer inquiries and respond to their needs in cool and prompt manner, and ensure customer satisfaction at highest level through effective services and repairs. Next is roles and responsibility of service supervisor in service station. The service supervisor performs supervisory responsibilities is by overseeing skilled mechanics and workers maintaining automobile. Service supervisor communicates between customer and mechanics to eliminate the efficiency and comeback repair, assign, supervise and participate in major and minor mechanical repairs, conduct in-service training program, determine priority of work order and their assignment to the personnel, plan, organize and schedule workflow of the employees is as assigned, advise and assist assigned personnel, assuredly timely completion of work. Service supervisor ensures that parts inventory vehicle matches vehicle in a system, coordinates with parts person and updates as necessary. It maintains preventive maintenance record, monitors tools, tool room equipment maintenance and safety practices. Service supervisor estimates the repair cost, make sure that parts of the services are completed in timely manner. The last is roles and responsibilities of customer care manager in a service station. Customer care or customer service managers are responsible for ensuring that customers are satisfied at all the times. Duties include supervising, managing customer service team, training staff member to provide higher standards of customer service, ensuring that all company policies are followed, providing leadership and direction to customer service supervisor and their team to ensure that excellent standard of service is provided and maintained. They are used to improve customer service experience, ensure the accurate processing of customer orders, confirmation, quotations, set a clear mission and deploy strategies focused toward that mission, develop service procedures, policies and standard, recruit, mentor and develop customer service agent to ensure customer services functions adequately staffed and trained to deliver efficient service to internal and external customer, to represent customer service function as an active member of senior management team, create and sustain positive team environment displaying high levels of motivation and excellent team spirit, keep ahead of industry's development and apply best practices to areas of improvement, control resources and utilize assets to achieve qualitative and quantitative targets, adhere to and manage the approved budget, and maintain an orderly workflow according to the priorities. Thank you. This is it. This completes our chapter number 6. Is Motor Vehicle Act, Road Safety and Garage Practices. Thank you.